Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat and I'm here to show you and talk to you about the Skin Perfect Primer SPF 30 from the Dermalogica range. Love this, use it every day underneath my powder foundation. So this is a primer, slight moisturiser to it. It hides and minimises lines and it's got a slight colour and a tint to it and a glow. So I use this underneath my powder foundation every day and it's got your SPF 30. So I actually wear this over the top of my Dynamic Skin Recovery, which has got a factor 50. So I'm double protected from the sun, which I like to do because I've had pigmentation in the past, which I struggled but did get rid of from sun damage. So I'm really protecting my skin all the time now. This gives you a really hydrated look. So if you're someone who really likes a matte look, then this one might not be for you. But if you quite like a bit of a glossy look, then this one is perfect. So I'm going to apply it and show you what it's like. The reason I apply to the hand and then apply, you probably saw me dig my finger in and then do that, means that it doesn't all sit there, because a lot of people just apply it to the tips of their fingers and do that, and then it's all there and none anywhere else. So that's the reason I apply it like that. You can apply this with a sponge if you wanted to. If you wanted to treat it like your foundation, which is basically how I treat it, then you can use it with a sponge. You can go anywhere, you go under those eyes because it's so hydrating. I keep my powder away from under my eyes because I don't want to highlight any lines there. But this creamy primer foundation I go under the eyes. Quite a few of my clients love this. They're on it and they can't be without it. When you find that product that really suits and feels nice and suits your skin and looks good and stays on, it's just wonderful. There we go, you see that? Giving me a nice hydrated primer, ready for any powder makeup to go over the top. And then a bit of mascara, a bit of lippy, and I'm good to go. So that is the Skin Perfect Primer, Dermalogica, factor 30. Got a gorgeous tint that matches any skin type, as you can see, it's adapted to my skin. Gives you that reflective glow, hydrating under the eyes, which is wonderful for a foundation as such. Forget the nose. And then I finish off with my Jane Erindale powder to finish that off. Best makeup ever. It's mineral makeup, so you know you're not applying anything that's going to block pores, cause spots, cause irritation. It's water resistant as well, so it stays put. Literally, I put it on in the morning and I'm rinsing off exactly the same amount at the end of the day. It really stays put. I've been using it for years, love it. So I would apply that powder over the top of this. I'll probably do a video of that one day. Okay, take care. I hope you enjoy using this product. It's amazing. More information below. Thanks for watching. Bye.